friends, I am Kriti. In this video I am going to show you balloon magic trick. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. For this magic trick you need 2 balloons, 1 matchbox and a candle. Let's start. I have 2 balloons, one is filled with air and one is filled with water. So let's keep it on the fan. Let's see that it will blast or it won't. So let's start with the water balloon. The water balloon did not blast because the water absorbs the heat. So let's try the air balloon. It got blasted! So the balloon became black. The water balloon did not blast because the water absorbs the heat and does not allow the elastic to get blasted. Hope you enjoyed this trick. See you in the next video. Bye.